Hey Francis. I don't know what to do. Oh. I have a lot of white hairs already. Time to color the hair. Hey guys, good morning. Wait, change ko yung status ko. Yep. Okay. Milk tea! Long time! Hi Grace! Kumusta? Yeah, I know. It's been a while. I miss you too. Na-busy lang for nung last weekend kasi. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Back to back yung shows. So, super tired ko talaga. As in. Kumusta po kayo ni Kato? Wala na. Si Will na yung pinili niya. Eme. Mwah! Yung tawag nito. Basta super tired ko after last weekend. As in like, grabe, pagod. But, you know, still grateful kasi sa mga opportunities. Diba? Hiningi ko din yun. So, wala akong right magreklamo. So, ayun. I deserve kong magpamassage. Proud of you, mama. Thank you. Hi, Fonzie. Hi, Kai. Just a stop. Yeah. Tired but good. Tired but happy. Ayan. Diba? Kasi nasa edad na tayo. So, ayun. Pero, diba? Lumaban pa rin tayo. Kasi nga Pride Month. So, ayan. But thankful pa rin ako sa mga blessings na binigay ni Lord. So, ayan. So, this month parang time to recharge. How was a Pride Month sa Cebu? It was fun. It was super fun. Sad because one of the drag bars dito sa Cebu, actually the very first drag bar here in Cebu, which is yung Cave Cebu Bar, nag-close na siya effective nung Sunday. So it was the final bow ng mga queens and of course of the bar. So nag-show ako doon for the love kasi kami talaga yung pioneers doon sa cave. Kami ni Piaya, ni Ashley Minho, tsaka ni Maria Lava. So I had to be there. You know. Thank you, Mia, for liking. So I deserve to relax for this week. For this month, I think I need to relax and just, chill because we were so bombarded with a lot of shows. But still grateful. Hi, Iya! Ayun. And happy ako na nakasama ko si Mami Bernie dito sa Cebu. Even for a very short time lang talaga. Parang PBB. For a very short time lang. And then, also nakita din kami ni Brigading kasi pumunta siya sa show namin. And, which was, I'm so happy kasi nag-tip din si Brigading. So happy. Yung hindi ko lang nakita is si Arizona, si Hanabeshi, and si Mix. Kasi they had to fly back to Manila kasi may mga prior commitments sila right after the show talaga, as in lumipad sila agad. So yun. Pumunta ka sa Pride Month. Hindi ako nakapunta kasi we had our own Pride Month celebration din dito sa Cebu. So, ayun. But yeah, I saw my sisters perform. I forgot kung saan yun, but yeah. Sila Matilda, Hanabeshi, Astrid, Arizona. Sino yung isa? Si Tiny. Ayun. Ano yung question kanina? Di ba nagkita kayo ni Kiana? Tagal na yun. Nung sinulog pa yun eh. How many months ago? Because they had a show here, so as a sister, of course, I had to, take care of them. Hindi ko naman trabaho, but, as a sister, I had to. Nasaan ang vlog ng show mo sa Cebu? Andito pa lahat, honestly. Ito. Andito pa, andito pa lahat. Hindi ko pa na, guys, huwag niyo akong i-pressure. Kasi, just give me some time to just decompress from all that had happened in June. I just wanna take my moment lang, or take my time. When kaya reunite ng Drag Race PH Season 2 Queens? Di ko rin alam, honestly. Mahirap din because I know that my sisters are also busy. So, pero hopefully, very soon. Diba? We never know. So, just keep on, basta follow niyo lang kami. Because, nag-update din naman kami if ever may mga shows. So, ayun. Oh, by the way, also, if you have time, guys, I hope you can also watch the podcast, yung Kwentuhan, with, yung nag-host nun is si Mami Silo. And then, we also have Simbading and also Miss Jade So. Kasama ko dun si Maria Lava. Episode 7, if I'm not mistaken, kami. So, I hope you can... Hi, King! I hope you guys can watch that podcast. Diba nga? There's more, marami pang mga episodes. So, yun. Parang feeling ko kailangan ko na magbiro ka kasi sinisipon na ako. One moment. Magano mo na? Sorry. I just had to blow my nose. But super happy ako sa very successful yung Pride dito sa Cebu. Very, very successful. Hi, Janet! Hello! Kumusta? Ayun. Medyo masakit pa yung hindi naman masakit, but a little bit awkward pa yung teeth ko kasi kaka-adjust lang nung Saturday. So, medyo tight siya ngayon. So, awkward siya a little. Kasi na matanggal tong braces, promise. Close na ba Cave Bar? Unfortunately, yes, Leonard. Closed na siya. But I'm manifesting that another drag bar will open up. There's still one drag bar here in Cebu which is Censored. So may show sila every Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I hope you guys can visit Censored. Support po natin mga local drag queens. Afa mga take mo pag nakadrag ka po. Ay, thank you, Janet. Thank you. Actually, yung atake talaga is very Latina. Yun yung peg ko. Ever since parang ganun na talaga yung makeup ko. Makeup style ko ganun. True. Which reminds me, kailangan ko na ang tawag nito, kailangan ko nang bumili ng mga bagong stuff. Like, kailangan ko nang palitan yung stockings ko kasi ang tagal na ng stockings ko, promise. So, kailangan ko nang bumili ng bago. And then, ng wig cap. Ang dami kong kailangan ang tawag dyan, yung parang kailangan kong siyang basta bibili ng bago ganun. Ay, question, ang ganda ng mga eyeshadows na ginagamit nyo, kulay na kulay. Any brand or technique? Yung brand na ginagamit ko for eyeshadows is yung sa Anastasia Beverly Hills. Very pigmented talaga siya, so super nice. Yeah. Pero, any brands would actually do. It really depends on how pigmented their palette is. Kasi may mga ibang brands na mura nga pero hindi siya as pigmented. So, kailangan mo siyang itodo talaga. Hindi katulad ng ibang brands na mas mahal pero pigmented. So, ayun. Pero again, wala naman yan sa wala yan sa brand. Nasa pag-apply yan. Ayun. Kasi you can have the best brands or the most expensive brands, but if you don't know how to use it, diba? Wala din. Right? So, it's still a matter of how well you use your materials. Ganon. In fairness, kumalma ang work ko ngayon na. Pero walang work ngayong Friday because it is manipis kasi yung pag-apply ng color sa akin, di ma-achieve ang rainbow eyeshadow. Depende naman yan kasi especially for drag, kailangan talaga, well, it also really depends kasi iba-iba yung style . So, yung makeup for TV is different sa makeup sa stage versus sa makeup on daytime mag-iiba yan eh. Kasi pag, it would really depend on the light. So, pag stage kasi, usually ha, yung lights mo is very malakas. So, your makeup should be makapal din para if matamaan siya ng light, hindi siya magiging, ang tawag dyan, hindi ka, anong term dyan? Basta hindi siya, kasi when light hits your makeup kasi, it tends to make it less visible. So kung hindi plakado talaga yung makeup mo or hindi makapal, magmumukha kang dry on stage. So you have to Hi Carlos. You really have to kapalan yung makeup mo pag stage makeup talaga siya. Pag like really bright lights as in. Ngayon sa mga makeups po. Oo. Well, di naman. Ako kasi nasanay din ako sa makeup yung makeup style dati. Kasi when I was performing, siguro nasanay ako sa makeup na makapal na talaga. Because nga, as a performer, parang sanay ako sa stage. So, yung makeup ko talaga pang stage talaga. Ako, hindi ko pa kabisado yung makeup na pang camera or kaya nga 'di ba if you notice sa show sa Drag Race hindi ganun kaganda tingnan compared to if I would compare myself to now when I'm performing. It's better, I would say. So ayun, parang it takes time lang talaga to adjust yung siguro yung skill and i-adapt mo siya depending on the event, like if it's for TV or if it's for a stage or if it's for a stage show ganun. So yeah, but yes, I would say in terms of makeup kasi ang daming mga options na ngayon eh. Dati it's so hard. Naalala ko pa dati gumagamit pa ako ng Corio. Choco brown, ayan. Gumagamit pa ako ng Choco brown. Anyway, but wait. But anyways, ang tawag nito, it also helped din naman yung natutunan ko before and then blending it with what's trending right now, 'di ba? Max Factor. Hindi ko kaya yung Max. Actually, you know what guys? Ako very hindi ako bumibili ng mga mamahaling mga products. Yung mga mamahalin ko, yung Anastasia, of course, it was sponsored yun sa amin eh. Tapos yung Morphe ko na palette, that was also given by a friend. Ano ba yung pinakamahal kong makeup na nabili? Yung binili talaga. Siguro hindi ko nga makakonsider na mahal siya eh. Ano siya? Anong pinakamahal? Wala. Most of the products that I buy are usually drugstore makeup talaga. Like Nishido, Dazzle Me, ganun lang. Lakas makaluto ng balat. True. So you have to take care. Well, right now, it's also very fortunate din ng mga tao ngayon because we have other products, aftercare products na like yung mga facial wash, yung mga cleanser, mga moisturizer, retinol, mga ganun. Dati wala namang ganyan eh. So, parang thank you Gay for the follow. So, I think swerte talaga yung mga baby queens ngayon kasi, ang dami nilang options talaga. Kamukha ko. Si Chat lang. Sino magtanong dito? Seta? Seta. Ayun. Hey, Jana, thank you so much for the follow. Mali yung nasend ko. Bullshit! Mali yung nasend ko. Bayan! Ayun. Wait nga. Mag-end muna ako, guys. And then, siguro, I'm gonna invade other people's life. Charing.